Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important because my today's video is related to healthcare and at the same time it is related to fashion designing as well. But before going into our further details, I have a simple request to you friends that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel or subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And if you really like my video collection, then don't forget to like my video. So friends, now let's move back towards our detailing. Yes friends, as you could say that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful wide variety of design ideas of face mask embroidery patterns, face mask embroidery designs, and I have been requesting you again and again to please take care of yourselves and please make a habit of wearing mask while going out. COVID-19 is in its third wave and it is affecting human lives massively, and kindly do wear a mask while going out, because wearing mask while going out would be our only escape and we could only be saved or could remain protected from this pandemic situation. So if we talk about the embroidery patterns on these masks, then these are very easy embroidery patterns: lazy daisy stitch, Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, chain stitch, French knot, satin stitch, stem stitch, fly stitch, fishbone stitch. Any type of one or two embroidery stitches are required to make these whole embroidery patterns. So I hope that my today's video is helpful for you. I have tried my level best to persuade you to take care of yourselves and make a habit of wearing masks while going out. And these masks are made on soft cotton organic fabric, linen fabric, soft blended fabric, so that they could remain comfortable throughout your whole wear. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, please take care of yourselves and make a habit of wearing masks so that you could stay protected from COVID. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakallah.